Hey everyone, Ramcubed here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your PC run smoother and just make it better, basically, in 3 very easy, straightforward steps, and just before I get loads of hate, this isn't a video on how to improve your internet speed for free, although I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that in another video, but today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to basically optimize your PC and to make it run smoother. So the first step is you just want to head over to the start button, and in the search bar you want to type in run and just hit enter. Now once you're on run, you want to type in the percentage sign temp and the percentage sign again and just hit OK or enter. And as you guys can see, we've got random files that the computer doesn't need, and they're taking up space. So what we want to do is just delete them, and you want to press Control A to select them all, and just delete them. So we're just gonna, and don't worry about deleting anything you need, because the computer won't let you delete anything you need. So it's nothing to worry about. So I'm just gonna skip this, continue, and as you guys can see, it won't let me delete absolutely everything, but as you guys can see, I've deleted all the files that I don't need. So the next step, so we can close that down now, and the next step is to again go to the start button, type in run and hit enter, but this time we're going to type in prefetch and just hit enter or OK. And as you guys can see, some more files that the computer does not need, but they're taking up loads of space. So we're just going to go ahead and delete this. So Control A to select them all, and let's go ahead and delete these files. Okay, so as you guys can see, they're gone. And let's move on to the third and final step. Now, some of you guys might have heard of this, the disk cleanup. You can just type it in the start search bar, and it's basically just going to look for files that the computer doesn't need, or dump files, and it's going to give you the option to delete them. Now what you want to do, don't worry about deleting anything you need. This is just all stuff that your computer does not need, so go ahead and check all these boxes. So I'm just going to go ahead and check them all. Alright, so once you've done that, just hit OK or enter, and it's going to ask you to don't worry again, just go ahead and delete them, and it's going to start basically cleaning up your disk and just making it more able, and again you guys will see that your computer will run a lot faster, a lot smoother. So yeah, again, I hope this really does help, and don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button if it did, and I will see you guys in the next vid. I'm out.